Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Jordan, and I just kind of threw together this PowerPoint, but I wanted to show you in this video how one of our AR filters got us 30 plus million views. So a little background about me. I'm the founder of Carbonbox Media. I've helped 22 different e-commerce brands get to seven figures, and I'm the founder of Augality, which is in its beta phase. So hopefully by the time you're watching this video, the website is live and ready. But we have over 3.5 billion impressions, and we have created 1,000 plus different AR filters and designs. So just want to build my authenticity before you watch this video, and yeah, we'll get right into it. So this is the filter that generated us the millions of views. And you may have seen a filter similar to this. It's called the Randomizer filter. It's a randomizer game. So as you can see here from the example, this is a filter we did for the show Millennials, and these are some of the cast members reacting to that filter to see, which Millennials character they are. So we've done it for this show. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the show Ginny and Georgia, but we did Which Ginny and Georgia character are you? These are two actresses from the show, Brianne Howie and Sarah Weisglass. Both, you can see their face. This is some pretty fun stuff that, if you're a business, this generates free user generated content. I mean, you can see the reaction here. You can see the smile here. This is stuff that tailors to emotion, right? The Nancy Drew show, this randomizer filter works super well for the Nancy Drew show. So this is, excuse me, this is Kennedy McMahon. She tried this filter, and to see which Nancy Drew character she was, she got ace, and as you can see, she is just kind of, trying not to laugh about it. This is just, a great way to get some really, really priceless reactions, right? So what we did is we decided to do Marvel, and this is Natalia. She's our head designer. She's, a lovely, lovely person, and she's a huge Marvel fan. And her favorite Marvel character is Wanda, but she decided to do a Marvel universe filter to find out which Marvel character you are. And so once we ran this on TikTok originally, and this is an old screenshot, but we got from this screenshot 1,022 videos created on TikTok. So all this stuff right here are just random users of TikTok that love this filter that decided to make a TikTok of them using this filter, which generated free user-generated content. We saw the success that it had on TikTok, and we're like, okay, well, if this works with TikTok, then it's definitely going to work on Instagram and Facebook. And turns out we were right. As you can see from the results here, and I am sorry for moving myself up and down so many times, but you can see 6.3 million opens, 2.6 million captures, 126,000 saves, 193,000 shares. If you're a marketer, this is probably the most important metric, because what's better marketing than literally word of mouth and having your buddy send a filter that you created to another one of his friends, right? 8 million impressions. And another marketing, nugget here is 11 seconds average open time. If you're releasing a video and running paid traffic under it, 11 seconds is pretty dang good, right? So again, as you can see from the previous photo of Natalia using this filter, her favorite Marvel character is Wanda. And we saw the success that this filter had on TikTok and Facebook. And so we kind of created a baby under the viral mother, if that makes sense. It's kind of a weird analogy, but her favorite character is Wanda. So we made a Wanda filter, and I just screenshotted the gift. I have the gift right here. I fast forwarded 3 times, so hopefully you can see it, but it just showcases Wanda's superpowers, and it's a super cool filter. And that filter in particular, let me go back to slideshow, on TikTok generated 120 million plays, 150 million total views, 61,000 shares, 12,600 favorites, average of 3.5 thousand views a day, a little bit more sometimes, a little bit less other times, but it went viral. And what we saw is that we created a filter that went viral on TikTok and Facebook, Instagram. And so we thought to ourselves, all right, what characteristics of this can we create to make another viral filter? And we saw the success it had on TikTok, so we thought, hey, this is going to work on Instagram and Facebook, and it did. 800,000 opens, 164,000 captures, 41,000 saves, 30,000 shares, 2.5 million impressions. Just, really, really powerful stuff. And this is cool for virality, because it's kind of, it's fun. it has to do with pop culture, and people want to interact with it, right? So, in total, you guys can go through these metrics yourself if you want. You can pause the video, but we got 30 million impressions, 288,000 saves, 364,000 shares in total from just the Marvel filters, right? So, what does this have to do with e-commerce or your business? You may be thinking, yeah, that's pop culture. Pop culture is popular, right? What would that have to do with my brand? So, we took that randomizer filter with one of the golf brands we're working with. And this particular golf brand, when we started working with them, they were making 25 to 50K a month, and they were spending around 10K a month on ads. And they're a subscription, a golf glove brand where essentially they have 14 different golf gloves, and golf gloves don't last the longest. And so this is just for the average golfer, or the avid golfer, I should say, to have a consistent pipeline of quality golf gloves. So they sell 14 different golf gloves, and oh my goodness gracious, sorry about that. Okay, so they sell 14 different golf gloves, and it was basically the same concept: which golf glove is best for your game? And I literally, like, I'm wearing the same T-shirt. I just took a photo of me using the filter, like probably 10 minutes ago. And I screenshotted it right here because it goes through the 14 different filters, or the 14 different gloves within the filter, and then the logo of the brand loads, and then it showcases what golf glove is best for you. So with this particular case, it's the sunny side. It has a description of the sunny side, and the most important thing, it has a 20% discount code that you can only get via this augmented reality filter. So not only is this a fun way to get somebody to interact with your brand in a way they never have before, but also it has a call to action at the end for somebody to share this with their friend or capture it, use their discount code that's only available with this augmented reality filter, and make a purchase. So now, not only do you have a fun way to interact with your audience, but you've also built this mini sales funnel, right? And a photo, a video being ran on TikTok or Facebook, you can't really do that as effectively as you can with an augmented reality ad, because literally the person is immersed into the advertisement experience, right? I'm sorry, I get super passionate about this, so I apologize if I am talking too close to the mic with too much passion. Sorry. Okay, so what happened after we run this Facebook ad, or this augmented reality filter? We had the best month they've ever had in sales. They had a 126% increase of traffic into their website, and they had a 37% higher purchase rate, almost instantly, almost instantly. And some other strategies you can use to make sure that, you know, your augmented reality, you may think, somebody tries an augmented reality filter once, they try it, and then they throw it to the side. A lot of people leave their AR filters to collect dust, which I think is a horrible, horrible opportunity, or a horrible idea and a missed opportunity. So don't leave your filter to collect dust. Keep it on your Instagram permanent stories. You know, those little stories underneath your bio, keep it right there. Have like one of your favorite user generated content of somebody reacting to the Instagram filter. Have that there. Make it readily available for somebody coming into your audience cold to try the filter, right? Something, and this is a gold nugget that not a lot of people know about. So if you're running paid traffic, let's come back to this right here. These are metrics of an audience that you can only target that have interacted with your augmented reality filter. So these shares, you can target the people that shared this. Impressions, you can target the people that had an impression on this. You can target the people that watched this for 12 seconds. You know, you can target the people that saved these. These are metrics that you can't really use to retarget via your traditional photo or video ad, right? So that's a huge golden nugget. So let me go back to where I was. If you're running an email campaign with this filter, and the email subject line literally says, hey, try on our new golf gloves, or figure out which golf glove is best for your next game, and try it from the comfort of your home, something like that. I guarantee you it will be the most interacted with email campaign you ever run. Have it on your website. Like I said earlier with that permanent story, if you have a favorite user-generated content of somebody reacting, you know, this could be somebody that's an avid golfer in your industry, or, you know, a model that you hired, or an influencer. You can have this on your website, and it can be a little GIF of them. They can click on it, and now they're able to use that product, your product, from the comfort of their own home, which again is a mini sales funnel. And they get a discount code. I mean, there's just like check, 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 check. There's so many benefits to this. Um, like I said, you can generate free user generated content. So if you are running paid ads, you can get people's reaction to them playing the game, which converts very, very well. You'd be surprised there. And then, like I showed in the previous case studies, we saw one filter doing super well on TikTok. So we brought it to Facebook, vice versa. If one of your filters is doing super well on, Instagram and Facebook, and it's getting shared a ton, you have a high chance of it working on TikTok, on Snapchat, on any of the other social medias where you can, they have face tracking or they have some sort of augmented reality setting. Um, I hope that all made sense. As you can tell, I really put this thing together in 20 minutes. And as soon as I put it together, I'm like, I got to record. So didn't really come super prepared. But if this is 0.01% interesting to you, let's chat. Let's talk about this. I have 3.5 billion impressions on our augmented reality filters alone. We got a great team. I don't know why I say I have an amazing team of just quality designers. We built augmented reality filters that are going to go viral, that are going to get somebody to interact with them, and that convert. The true nature of these filters is just to get you more conversions, right? Get more people into your website, retarget people with different metrics that you're not able to with your traditional photo or video ad. And now I'm rambling. So if this is interesting, let's chat. I'm going to leave my Calendly link in the description, and we can talk about this. Have a great one, everybody, and I look forward to talking soon. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.